In this video, we're going to work through the problems that deal with simple probability and the level of probability you're going to be expected to be able to do on the final exam. So here we have a drawer, and we have got a pair of red socks, 5 pair of black socks, 2 pair of blue socks, and 6 pair of white socks. And I'm clearly going to need to know my totals. So let's say I've got 1 and 5, 2, 6. So let's add those up. 6, 8, it looks like I've got 14 pairs of socks. All right, so first off, I want the odds that I choose a pair of black socks. Now, just a refresher that odds has to do with our successes related to our failures. Whereas when they ask for probability, probability has to do with our successes over total cases, or total cases. Let's go with that. All right, so when we're looking at odds that we get a pair of black socks, success would be getting black socks. We've got 5 pair of black socks, so those would be our successes. And everything that's not black will be our failures. So let's see, 14 minus 5, that's going to give me 9 ways to not get black socks. So my odds of getting black socks is 5 to 9. The next question asks for the probability that I choose a pair of white socks. So white socks, I have 6 pairs out of a total of 14. See how we put the total downstairs this time. And that can, of course, be reduced to 3 over 7. In part C, we're doing probability again, and we want to see that they're either black or blue. So let's see, I have 5 black and 2 blue. So I have 7 ways of being successful out of a total of 14, which reduces to 1/2. Our last one, probability socks are not red. Well, I've got 1 pair of red socks, so not being red, well, there's 13 ways to do that out of a total of 14. And again, that was probability. So notice all the probabilities had 14 in the denominator. Odds are where I had to subtract from 14 to find my number of failures. All right, in this problem, you're going to need to know to use Pascal's triangle to summarize the options you have without being prompted to do so. That's going to be the easiest way of doing this one. You could list out all your options, but if you recognize that, oh, I can use Pascal's triangle in order to summarize that, that's going to go a lot quicker. So we need row 4 of Pascal's triangle. Just a reminder that, remember, we can always develop the rows. We know 1, 1, next 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. All we really need is memorize is that first row and how to add up to get the others. So now this tells us, okay, I've got 1 way, 4 ways, 6 ways, 4 ways to do certain things, and let's list those out. So let's start off with 1 way to have 4 boys, 4 ways to have 3 boys and 1 girl, 6 ways to have 4 boys, 2 girls. This is just like the exponents ones, right? The boys go down 4, 3, 2, 1, no boys, and the girls go up 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girls, 4 girls. All right, so now I want to have all the cases where I have at least 2 boys. So let's highlight those ones. Yeah, this has at least 2 boys, this has at least 2 boys, and that has at least 2 boys. Here I only have 1 boy, that's not enough, and here I have no boys. Clearly not at least 2 boys. So now, remember that we're being asked to find probability. So we need our number of successes. These are our successes. 6 plus 4 plus 1, 11 ways to successfully have at least 2 boys, over my total. My total number of ways, I add these up. Let's see, I've got 5, 11, 15, 16 ways. So my total is 16 ways. And so my answer is 11 out of 16. There are 11 ways to have at least 2 boys, 16 total ways.